Hey everybody, welcome back to TechOdyssey. So I'm back with a video that a lot of people have probably been waiting for, and that's to show you how to get WhatsApp installed on your BlackBerry 10 device. So I've installed it on my BlackBerry Q10 and I'm using it here on my Passport. Now, I am not an expert when it comes to WhatsApp. I've only used it in the limited time to test this out because normally I just use texting or whatever else, but I know WhatsApp is important to a lot of people. So what I did was I've had this installed on here for a little while. I go through doing demonstration, video calls work, voice calls work, and messages work, and you get the notifications on the phone, and I'm gonna show you how to install it. So before we get into that, I do want to say if this is your first time stopping by the channel, I appreciate you being here. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell so you can get updates on the latest videos. Now let's go ahead and check out WhatsApp. All right, so the first thing you need to do to get WhatsApp installed is to go to your regular browser, which this works just fine, and go to appsapk.com. This is where I download all of my apps from that are Android related, other than the Amazon store, and I don't have the Android Play Store loaded on here. I haven't been able to get it to work so far, but when it pops up, you can hit the search bar there. It's really slow. I typed in WhatsApp, and as soon as we're able to search, it's going to pull it up for us. So you just have to be a little patient. But this is where I download most of my apps from that I can't get from the Amazon App Store. So here we are. You see the WhatsApp Messenger right there on the right. They have a business one too. I've not messed with that, but this one works just fine. So we'll click on it. It'll pull up, and the APK is just it's the Android installation file that you need to get it to install on BlackBerry. It would be the same on Android. It's just called an APK file. So scroll down, hit download APK. So it's going to take a second after you click on that link, but it'll say downloading, and we just have to wait. It'll give us a pop-up here in a second so we can download and save the file onto our phone. And there we go. So WhatsApp, we'll hit the save button, and then you'll see the progress here. So as soon as it gets done downloading, we can go ahead and click on it. Ta-da! Download complete. Click on the APK file. Wait a second, and there we go, WhatsApp. So we'll go ahead and hit install. If this is the first time you've installed an APK file, it's going to ask you to enable like the third-party apps or whatever in your settings, but should be fine. Hit the OK button, and it's going to take longer to that install. I cut out like 30 seconds of waiting for it to install. So once you're done, you can hit open, or you can go to the icon like I did, and here we are. So it's loading up, and here you go. Now, I don't know about as far as recovering or moving your account over here that's already existing, because I've never had one before. I just created one on here and have been able to use it this way. So here's a demonstration of the texting. My wife is using it on her iPhone. So you can see I sent her test, test, test. I got back, hello, how are you, hi. So you can see there that it's working. It does give you the little ding. She was watching TV and it was making too much noise, so I turned the sound off, but ta-da, it works. So now that I've tested out the texting, I'm going to show you the voice call. So voice calls also work. I didn't have any problems with this at all. So calling wife, ta-da, and there she is. So this is using it on BlackBerry 10, obviously, because that's what the Passport is running. And then she's using it on her iPhone, and you can see it's working just fine. And the audio works too. I just don't have it turned on right now. So there we are with the test of the video calling. So we've tested messaging, we've tested video calling. Now I'm going to start voice call. So when we do the voice call, you'll see here in a second, it'll get the connected icon, and then you'll know that it's working. So it says ringing, and there we go, call connected. So ta-da! So I have now tested out all three of them, and you can see that it works perfectly fine. And you also get the notifications. So really nice. Hopefully this works out for you, especially all those people that love WhatsApp, and hopefully you can use this to get it set up on your phone so you can still use it. All right, so as you can see there, it works perfectly fine. Now, the only hangup that you may have on here, before I made this video, I uninstalled it and went to go reinstall it. If you have the Cobalt or Google ID or Google Play services loaded onto here, it doesn't seem to work. So if you download WhatsApp and you install it, and then it pops up and it won't start and it tells you that Google Services is not supported on your device, you're going to have to delete those. So I deleted them off of my phone, reinstalled it, it works like a champ. So if you have WhatsApp installed and then install the Google Services, it seems like it still works, maybe. But if it doesn't, that's what's causing the problem. Either way, I got it to work just fine. I've done it on multiple devices, and I've tested it out. It even pops up over in the hub. Now, over in the hub, it's just going to show up in notifications, which I already acknowledged it, so it's gone. But I did test it out, had my wife text me back. Shows up in notifications. You get an audible notification when it pops up, and then also the little red dot next to the app letting you know that you have a new message. So that's it with regard to this. The link is going to be down below. So what you need to do is go to the appsapk.com, which is where I download most of my APKs, which are the Android installation files. I cannot guarantee how long this is going to work. It may work for a month. It may work for a year. Who knows? It should be okay until WhatsApp stops supporting the Android 4 runtime. So good luck. Hopefully it works. Hopefully this works out for you. And like I said, I wanted to go ahead and show it off. I reinstalled it and tested it out just to demonstrate it so I could show you that it does work. So that's all I've got. If you got any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section. I'll get back with you. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you being here, and I'll see you guys next time.